Namaste friends, welcome to Ability Expansions. From today, I am going to start a new video series for AutoCAD tutorial. If you are student of 10th, 12th, ITI, Diploma or Draftsman and you want to do career in a design and drafting field, or else you already start your career as a designer or as a draftsman and you want to improve your skill, then this video series will definitely helpful to you. In this tutorial series, I will try to explain all commands from beginner level to advanced level, where we learn 2D drawing, 3D model design, 2D assembly, 3D assembly, rendering, 2D drafting, etc. All chapter will cover in brief. It doesn't matter if you never use AutoCAD before, we will explain you every command from beginning. If you join any institute for learning AutoCAD, they will charge you around 12 to 15,000 as a fees. But here you will learn entire AutoCAD totally free of cost. You just simply subscribe our channel, like our video and share our videos with your friends. So let's start to learn and improve our knowledge by help of this video series. I will come back to you with my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and thanks for watching.